guys. Alright, let me turn down the music. So I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. It's not a secret, I'm just saying that. But our P.O. box is nowhere near our house, so it is hard to go to it. And I'm getting there, but there is like, where I'm at, it seems like there's like an excessive amount of traffic. And I'm like, really? It's like 10 a.m. on a Saturday. Like, where are y'all going? Y'all going to the P.O. box with me? Like, I don't understand where y'all going. Okay guys, they were all going to the post office. Every one of them. Because I'm pretty sure that everybody's here. We're actually switching P.O. boxes. Our P.O. box is actually, like, our new P.O. box is gonna be even further away than this one, but it's at a place that'll be less busy. And so we think it's good to kind of keep it away from our house. But at the same time, it's got to be where like I can actually go and get it, because post offices have such, their hours are not great for anybody who lives in the real world with like your hours. Like, they don't have good hours. So anyway, we just moved it. Our new P.O. box is going to be in a completely different city, and so actually farther away, but I think it's going to be more convenient in terms of like actually getting there and blah blah blah. So that's happening. So now I'm going to go battle all these people.
So what are you guys doing?
We're cutting out the stuff that we wanted.
That you want for what?
Christmas!
So we're gonna make a Christmas list with pictures from the catalogs you got in the mail. Oh yeah, so Sophie's doing the cutting, and right now Grayson's doing the picking. That's the stuff Sophie's picked, and that's just gonna get out a bunch of stuff that Grayson picked. Cut it out, and we're gonna glue it all to some paper and give it to Grandma's. So it's 12:15, and the baby just now woke up. Baby! Ah! Don't walk in here, you just go dunk.
Look what we got. I've been trying to get this package for weeks now. It came in over a 2-week period of time, and it should have been here every time, but they never had it. I don't know if it was stuck in customs or something or what, but I'm so glad we got it.
This is mine too.
Grayson's helping me put up clean laundry. We're putting laundry up. We'll bring it all up for the kids, and he's separated to the right rooms. And Sophie's doing the reverse. She's taking the dirty clothes from here. And what are you doing? Let's watch. Let's watch your method here of moving this all downstairs. It's a very effective method.
What I do is I put the clothes all here, and I do one by one.
One by one, right over the edge. Isn't that nice? She's so good at that too. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna see if the kids can deal with it. What?
Daddy!
Oh no!
Can you reach it?
Yes, I can reach it.
All at the same time.
Make it rain.
Make it rain. That's what a nerdy nummy says once he's doing the sprinkles. Nerdy nummies. I love that show.
Ah, it's a bug on me.
Okay, y'all, so I'm at the mall. And they have some sort of like Mustang, like Ford Mustang, like promotional tent set up, and they have like a test track, and I can't see what's going on, but they must be taking them like doing something crazy, because I keep hearing the squeals of the tires and no one's flipping out, so apparently it's legit. But I was like, what's that sound? And then I was like, oh wait, there's some sort of going ons over here. So I don't know what they're doing, but I wish Kyle was here so he could have some fun with that.
What are we doing?
We're gonna taste it without sugar.
What is it though? What are you tasting? What'd you make?
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid. Orange Kool-Aid. All right, we're gonna try it without any sugar. We ready to try it?
Yes.
Okay, let's get
Boom.
silly straw. Orange and purple, and just one sip, tiny sips. Tiny sip. What do you think? Oh, well, yuck. All right, pull it out.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like.
Doesn't taste very good. It tastes like orangey water.
Do it with the boots.
Let's do it with the spoons. Go ahead. No. Use your spoon. There you go. One spoon. One spoonful is all we need. Just one. Is it good?
Yes.
Okay, the movie was awesome. We saw St. Vincent. Is that what it was called? Something like that. That's what we saw, and it was awesome. It was really good. So now I'm gonna finish up the shopping I was going to do. I didn't get finished the other night, and then I'm gonna head home. So it was nice. The only thing bad is like there was all these previews for the movie, and I was like, I saw like 5 movies. I was like, ooh, I want to see that, or ooh, Kyle would like that. And I was like, we won't get to see them. We rarely get to see movies anymore. One day, y'all, we'll get to see movies more. We need to find a babysitter. That's what we need to do. I've complained about this before. We need to find a babysitter. That's what we need. P.S. I picked this up on a whim in the checkout line of Whole Foods. It's not focusing very well. It's just this vanilla honey lip balm, and oh my gosh, it smells amazing.
All right, so we're doing this on. We're gluing on our Christmas list together. All right, Sophie, you want to do this one now on this list? There you go. How about you do the glue? Just be super careful. Remember, don't get the glue anywhere except on the back.
Daddy,
you might have to squeeze pretty hard. I had to squeeze pretty hard to get it out.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy, there's Chase's freeze tall and Marshall's spider for grit water punch on the ladder.
Yeah, that's right. That's pretty cool.
And also Marshall finds up there in the cat movie.
Just spread it around, not just in the middle. A little on the sides too, so it won't peel up.
Alright, y'all, do you see how crowded this place is? This is ridiculous. The next time I try to go to the mall on Saturday, y'all tell me to stop. Just be like, stop, Courtney, stop now. Although, since I live in Texas, everybody's like so friendly about it. So that's good. Now I'm gonna go try to find some boots, some frozen boots for Sophia, because I'm an awesome mom.
JJ, you better watch out.
I closed mine. Okay.
All right, come pick them all up.
Okay, I'm done. Yeah, that was an adventure. It was really crowded. But that's cool. Like I said, everybody's nice. Everybody's in a good mood. Even the salespeople, it's like you're just like, have a good day, good luck. And they're like, yeah, thank you. Like everybody's just really nice, so that's good. And I got a bunch of stuff. I need to go home and add this all to my little like clothing inventory database thing I made, so I can see what else I need to get. I think I need to get Grayson pants still. He has like no pants. I think we're almost done, so that's good. And so far I have only spent half of our budget, so if I don't have to get that much more, hopefully I can come in under the budget we set for the kids, so that would be awesome. I got my girl, y'all. I got my girl. Be careful. It's okay, buddy. You all right? Hi. What is this? Yeah. Oh, kisses. Hello. I know. She's like, open it up. Let me explode. Guys, she opened this door and locked herself in the laundry room a minute ago. We had to find her. I was like, where's Audrey? Yay! All right, all you guys have little cards. Who's on them?
That's Grayson's.
Who is that?
They're actual little Disney cards. That's cute.
Now can we open this one? Grayson, wait.
It says, happy 3rd birthday, Grayson. I hope you had a blast on your car wash birthday. Love, Michelle. That's so sweet. She got you guys actual birthday cards. Disney cards.
I know.
Kyle. Happy 1st birthday, sweet little girl. A 1-year-old already. It looks like yesterday, the day you were born. You look so much like your mommy. Hope you're having a great 1st birthday.
It's Princess. It's my favorite princess. Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping Beauty.
Dusty, he said.
And
All right, Sophia, yours says,
And Daddy, what is this name?
you've grown from this sweet little baby to this big, smart, funny girl. I hope you have a great birthday. Lots of love, Michelle. So here's Sophie's huge pile of presents.
Mama.
Here's Grayson's huge pile of presents. And Audrey, it's your pile of presents.
Cookies.
Audrey's walking away with her card, Kyle. You got a card.
I think it's marshmallow cookies.
Wow.
Cookies. This one has balls. Mama! Look how cute.
Oh my gosh.
Look on this.
That's so cool, Gregory. Kyle, look at this bow. It's Scotty Dog Sophie.
What is it, Greg?
It's a really matching game card.
Wow.
There you go. Come on, pull.
Look, Audrey. Audrey.
Oh my! Oh, that's so adorable.
Can you dance? Oh no, it's better than that.
It's kite that you can paint!
Kite you can paint.
Mom, which
We
one?
just saw that at the store.
Audrey's like, wait, there's some more?
Oh.
You're gonna take your present with you? We'll get it out of the box. What'd you
It's
get?
called a duck shot. Look, it's like a.
Ah, that's awesome. What's in here?
So, Mama, I'm gonna do that bumblebee hole that we have to do it.
She's shaking it out, Kyle. Oh, how cute. Look, Audrey. Kyle, it's little animal molds for Sandbox. Wow.
Dan, I always wanted this thing.
Oh, wow. Kyle, look at this. It's a giant stencil set for chalkboard, for doing chalk on like sidewalks.
Oh.
That is perfect.
We can go do it on our sidewalk.
Yes, we can.
Oh, it's a water paint set.
And it's also a book.
Yeah, you know, we fill the pen with water.
Oh.
That way we can both do.
Oh, that's cool. You want another
I
present?
have another one right here.
Okay.
Behind.
It's a baby Aurora doll. Hey, Audrey, look.
It's not nice to show her surfing. That's not nice.
You gonna give her a kiss? Aw, she gave her a kiss, Daddy. Mwah. Kyle, can you take her baby doll out of the box? Oh!
Pick it out!
Make your own kite. What are you gonna draw on it?
I'm gonna draw a dump truck and a helicopter.
Wow. Oh, that's adorable. This is perfect for right now too, the colors. Oh, I love this one. Oh, Audrey Bear. That's cute. What? What? Wow. Kyle, look at these little barrettes. I didn't see Sophie's. These are cute. Kyle, look at these.
Yeah. Look at that. You got a coloring pad from Cars and a sticker set for, who's that?
Who is it?
Oh, cool.
What is it?
On the back what it is?
Oh.
It's a Viewmaster with Thomas Viewmaster.
So Grayson.
Yeah.
Grayson, you're gonna love that. Yay! So they want wearing kids.
I got the same thing! I got the rainbow rocks! Rainbow!
Sophie put her bow, her Scotty bow, in Audrey Bear's hair. It's adorable. Do that.
I got a dead chicken too!
I got a dead chicken too. Oh, that's
It's
hilarious.
red!
Yeah.
I'm pushing his foot.
That's awesome, honey. You see it? He loves it.
Yes! Thank you, Michelle!
You're done with that one. Look. You
Yeah.
take that watch. I'll show you.
Buddy. Michelle.
Take this one out.
That's Audrey's middle
Just
name.
like your nightlight.
Yep. And that's Mama's middle name.
That's right.
Twilight. Pinkie Pie.
What are they?
Hold on, bend on the.
Oh,
I love these two.
you love those?
Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. And also,
Michelle, thank you for their birthday gifts. As you can see, they're a big hit. And Kyle apparently also likes them. He's waiting his turn
can I try?
to do that. I'm gonna cut open Audrey's present so she doesn't.
Get one in there real quick.
Audrey keeps walking around with the boxes of her gifts, and I'm like, I'll open them for you, honey.